Hello, everybody. This is Eugene here at Big Joe Handling System. Today, we're going to talk about how to properly water your battery. Before you water your battery, make sure your battery has been fully charged and the battery has been run through a full equalization charge. All of our batteries have a reminder stickers on. It will be a red sticker. If you have any questions or concerns, just reach out to us, contact us at any time. All right, to charge your battery or unit, you have to make sure that the battery is connected to the charger, which is this is the end for the battery and this is from the charger. A lot of people make the same mistake where they plug in the charger to the unit, and that's wrong. Always make sure your SP connectors matches the color. Um, and if you're trying to insert one to each other, just make sure you're not forcing it. If you feel like you're forcing it, just contact us for safety purpose. All right, just make sure before you start watering your battery to make sure you have your proper PPE on. We start from the safety goggles, gloves, and steel toe. This battery is equipped with a watering system, and you are able to use a gravity tank to fill up the water. All right, before you start watering your battery, make sure the tank is above 4 feet above the battery for proper water pressure. Your gravity tank is equipped with a flow indicator, which will start to spin when the water gets pushed through. Find the end of your single point watering system and then connect it to your water gravity tank. Your flow indicator will stop spinning once all the cells are properly filled. This is an example of a battery without a watering system. You will have to manually fill each cell. If you don't have a water system equipped on your battery, don't worry, we have this guns for sale that will help you fill up each cells individually. This can hook up to any water hose. All right, to manually fill up the water, if you don't have a watering system equipped, unscrew the cap, insert the gun, and then squeeze. Once the water is topped off, the indicator will automatically stop. If you don't have the gun, don't worry, you still have the last option. You can go old school by using a funnel. And by doing that, you can safely pour in water or still waters without spilling any acids. Your cell is properly filled when the water level is half inch above the plate.